You have hundreds, maybe thousands of amazing photos trapped on your phone. But what if you could turn any one of them into a real physical print right here, right now? You probably thought this awesome little printer only worked with one specific Insta360 camera. Well, a hidden update just changed everything. Today, I'm going to show you how a new app update has unlocked this printer for your entire photo library. Hey, I'm Saab and this is the Tech Packer, where I show you how to upgrade your experience with the best travel tech and gear. There's been an update to the Insta360 app, and this is important even if you're not shooting with an Insta360 camera. Whether you're shooting with another brand or just your phone, the Insta360 Pocket Printer is now unlocked. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. In a world of digital overload, why should you even care about a physical print? For me, it's about making memories real. A digital photo is just data that can get lost in the cloud, but a print is a memory you can actually hold, put in your fridge, or give to someone. When traveling, there is no better way to connect with someone you've just met than by handing them a physical photo of the moment you've just shared. Insta360 recently introduced this pocket printer designed to hook up to the Ace Pro 2. The problem was you needed an Ace Pro 2 to use it, but now that has completely changed. With the latest update to the Insta360 app, that's v.2.19.0 or later, for both iOS and Android, the Pocket Printer has been unlocked for all photos on your phone's camera roll. Here's the detail in the app update changelog on the Insta360 site confirming this is true. So the first step is to update your app. Then power on your Pocket Printer and connect it in the app's device settings. Make sure you also have the latest printer firmware installed. The app will prompt you if an update is needed. I'm using v.01.19. Okay, before I show you the print process, if you find quick high-value walkthroughs like this helpful for getting the most out of your gear, make sure you're subscribed. That way you won't miss out on any of my future deep dives. Now, this screen right here is the key to everything. This is where you choose the photo you want to print. And it's the only screen where you can access not only your Insta360 media, but also your device's main camera roll. Here's the mistake to avoid because this threw me for a while. If you go to the album tab in the Insta360 app, it only shows you photos and videos from your Insta360 devices, either on your device or in the cloud. The phone album isn't there. It took me a few goes to find the right process. You have to initiate the print from this main connection screen. Drop me a comment if this printer now looks a lot more useful to you, knowing it works with any photo. And here it is. A clean physical print from a photo on my iPhone's camera roll. It's that simple. And that's how you print any photo from your phone's camera roll using the Insta360 Pocket Printer, thanks to the latest app update. It's transformed this accessory from a niche product into a powerful, universal, portable printer for all your photos. Now, this printer was originally designed as part of a kit for the Ace Pro 2 with the awesome Explorer Grip Pro. To see how that full Polaroid with superpowers setup works and my full review of it, you need to watch this video right now up here.